Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to save a bookmark in Safari on MacBook. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. So I'll show you two different methods. So let's talk about the first method. We are gonna use the keyboard shortcut. So normally open your Firefox browser and after then visit the website you want to bookmark. For example, bing.com. And now we want to save on Bookmark. And to do that, normally press on your keyboard Command plus D together and you will see a pop-up window like this. So normally you can choose bookmark folders or you can choose also favorites. So I'm choosing bookmarks folder and here you can give it a name. I'm just keeping it as same and clicking on this add button. And that's all about the first method. So if you want to find that out, normally you have to click on this bookmarks button and now click on this show bookmarks and here you will get that bookmark. Normally click on that to visit that website. Let's talk about the second method. Normally you have to visit the website like before. So I'm choosing this time wikipedia.org. Just normally you have to type on the address bar wikipedia.org or your favorite website that you want to add on your bookmark. And after then, normally you have to choose on this share button. Click on this. And here you will get an option to add this on your bookmark. Normally click on this add bookmark. And the same process, you can choose it from here, bookmarks, and give it a name and click on this add button. And here you will see all of the bookmarks of you. So if I revise all of them, normally you can find all of the bookmarks of you from this bookmarks option. And from there you have to choose show bookmarks and you will see all of the bookmarks of you. So that's all about today's video, how you can add bookmarks on Safari. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye. Allah Hafiz.